I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us prepare for our first test on calculus. Normally, this kind of question which I have here is on your first sheet. The question is, use the graph to determine each of the following. So we need to find limit of the function when x approaches minus 1 from left side. So that power minus means from the left side. The second is limit of the function f of x when x approaches 3 from the right side. Then we have limit when x approaches 3 for the function f of x, and D is find the value of the function at minus 1. So that is f of minus 1. So analyze this particular graph, pause the video, answer these questions. So that is a knowledge based question. Let us begin to answer them one by one, right? So first one is limit of the function when x approaches minus 1 from left side. So here is minus 1 for us. And if we are approaching from the left side, we hit this graph, and so we go follow this path and reach this point, which is 1. So the limit is 1 for us. Limit of the function when x approaches 3 from the right side, that plus is right side, so that is 3 for us. We are approaching 3, so let us say you are at 4, then you're traveling along this path. That is how you have to see. You're traveling along this path, and as you come closer and closer to 3 from the right side, you are actually approaching the value 3. So the answer is 3 from here. Now part C is limit of the function when x is approaching 3. Now in such cases, you have to see both left side and right side. We already have limit from the right side, so we need to calculate the limit from the left side. So let's calculate limit for x as you approach 3 from the left side. Okay, so what is that equal to? So let's see. So you are approaching 3 from the left side. That means you're following this path. If you follow this path, you will reach at 2. So this limit is 2. But from the right side, what did we see? Limit when x approaches 3 from the right side for the same function is 3. Now these limits are not equal. Do you get the point? Since they are not equal, we'll say it does not exist. So that is how you have to reason it out and then give your answer. So that is very important and for you to understand. Now let us find the value of the function at minus 1. At minus 1 we could go two ways. We can go up, but that is a hole. Hole is not the value for the function. This plugged in hole at minus 2 is the value. So that is the value, right? So the plugged in hole is the value at minus 1, right? So open, we say open hole and closed hole. So open hole is not the value. Now closed hole is the value. So that is the answer for part D. I hope this basic question, knowledge base, is absolutely clear. Now let's move forward and answer the rest of the questions from this test paper. Thank you and all the best.